Okay, happy Wednesday to all my Chic babes and Chic fur babies. So we are going to be doing a what? Chic babes and fur baby boutique unboxing. Yes, we are unboxing our own brand. How cool is that? I think it is very cool. Now, Chic fur baby, she's taking her nap. So this just came in today. And I am so, y'all see, she already tore the paper off. I am so excited to do this unboxing. So excited. And you are going to love this new product, okay? This is our new product at our boutique, the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique. .myshopify.com. So y'all go and purchase the new Chic Babes Weekender. Yes, the new Chic Babes Weekender. It is very similar to the Never Full, if you want to know how big it is. Yes, this is Never Full. Look how big it is. Huge. It is huge. And I cannot wait to do a video on what's in my Chic Babes Weekender. Now y'all go to the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique .myshopify.com site and purchase your Chic Babes Weekender. Okay, and this is perfect for every occasion. You can use this as a work bag. Enjoy the weekend at the beach. Enjoy your time out with the girls, with the family, or have just a self-care day. Or how about a reset with your weekender? Go to the park, go to the beach, or just lay out on your grass by your pool. Okay, with your weekender with all of your Chic Babes goodies inside. Yes, I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to do a video on what's in my weekender. Now, this is all of the products, all of our products are printed and shipped by none other than Printify. Yes, we are so glad to have Printify as a part of our team. Printify has a list of vendors for us business owners to choose from, which gives us access to more products to sell. So yes, everything, they have everything: home decor, travel accessories, clothes, shoes, technology, any and everything you can think of, it is on Printify. Okay, so those of you that have a business, you all check out Printify and use my unique link, https://try V2GYB4MUVGO1. That's my Printify referral link. You use that link and you will get a discount. Place your first 3 orders. Okay, business owners? Yes, you will love it. And by having Printify, that means we don't have to worry about ordering, trying to find a vendor, ordering products, and then waiting on the vendor to ship the products back to us, then us having to package the product and ship it out to the customer. Printify does it all for us. Yes. So yes, this is the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique new product, the Chic Babes Weekender. Yes. Yes, I love it. So I'm going to put all of me and Coco's things when we out and about, going to the doggy park, or we're just out and about shopping. Yes, all of our things go right in our weekender. So y'all be sure to go to the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique myshopify.com and get you a weekender for yourself and your your fur baby, so y'all can put everything y'all need in your weekender. And not just for your fur babies, but for your babies. Yes, we have clothes for everyone. We have office supplies, school supplies, we have everything. Even if you don't purchase something, leave your email, drop your email so you'll be notified when we're dropping new products, okay? And when we have new store events. Yes, I love it. I love it. Now we have 2 more items coming. And yes, I support my brand, because if I don't support my brand, who will? Yes, I'm going to be the first customer in line to purchase my product, because I love my products. Me and Coco, we love our products. She's enjoying her food mat. Now we're still waiting on her collar to come. We're still waiting on her collar, and then we'll be ordering. Fall will be coming in soon because we are in August. So we'll be ordering her t-shirts to wear during the fall and during the winter. Yes, because she's not going to wear no clothes during no summer because it is absolutely too hot for that. So yes, and then we'll be getting her the Chic Furbaby bowl. Yes. So yes, we are so excited to be selling our brand to the whole entire world. Yes, the whole entire world is our customers. Yes, because Printify, they ship to the 4 corners of the earth. Yes. So we are so excited to have the entire world as our customers, our online store. Of course, the world don't sleep and our store don't sleep because it's online. Yes. And y'all stay tuned for my business video. Yes, I have a business video. I may film it today or I may film it tomorrow because I'm going to be doing a lot of posting. I'm on different platforms, so many different, all the social media platforms. So I'm not on YouTube all the time. I do a lot of shorts, so y'all check out my YouTube shorts because I'm on so many different platforms. So a lot of times I have to do just, YouTube shorts. Okay. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all continue to please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping videos. And follow me on Instagram at ja.cqUELYN4. And on TikTok, we are at Zion Israel Locks. And I will also be selling on TikTok as well. Yes, so we are very busy over here and I am so excited. Yes, so excited. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. Bye, babes.